class. Welcome to Arjun English School. Today I am going to start chapter number 2, that is random variable and discrete probability distribution in 12th standard. In earlier class we have already completed the chapter probability in part 2, that is chapter number 1, and now from today onwards I am going to start the chapter number 2 in statistics part 2. Okay? So now, before starting chapters, we have to understand some theoretical points, that is understand for your exam purpose. Where first question, that is meaning of random variables. So what is meaning of random variables? Approximately this chapter is having a weightage of 10 marks, 8 to 10 marks. So be ready for these types of sums and theoretical part, because in 10 marks they are asking for some theoretical questions like MCQ 1 marks, 2 marks as well as 3 marks, and total weightage that is for 10 marks. Okay, so remember this here very carefully. First point, that is meaning of random variable. Now every element of U may be real number. It means in universal it includes all the elements. It can be real numbers. Like if I say 1 to infinite, means someone rank below, someone rank average, and someone rank high. So in all the strategies it includes the real number. Okay, so a function of associating a real number with each outcome of U. It means here real numbers that we have to arrange in a function. Function means we are likely to present it in a bracket. So it is called a function, and it denotes the values and its outcomes of U. So it is called random variable. There is no need that random variable is from below to like 0 to 10, 20, 100 or 1000. It may be any infinite number, but ascertaining a technique of ascertaining a real number with outcome. Outcome means all the possible expected probability under which this function that we have to determine, that is called random variable. Let's say in our class, if I want to present our percentage, so percentage of 12th standard is from 0 to 100. Means we cannot say that any student has got the negative percentage or any student has got the 102 percentage. There is a fixed limit, that is 0 to 100. So our random variable from universal, that is 0 to 100. Okay, but from which the passing marks is 35%. It means 35% plus more, that they have passed the exam, and below 35% they fail the exam. So it is a function of associating a real number with each outcome of it. It is called random variable. Simple. Thereafter, discrete random variable. A random variable which can be finite or countable number of value. A random variable which can be finite means the value which we can count or countable numbers, and in the set of real number it is called discrete random variable. Means all the countable numbers, all the possible outcomes that are presented into the function, that is called discrete random variable. Example, let's say in universal there is value from 0 to 10. It means minimum value, that is 0, and maximum value, that is 10. So we know all the values from 0 to 10 and all the possible outcomes that are presented into the function, that is called discrete random variable. If I want to the rank for any activities from 0 to 10, so maximum number, that is 10, minimum number, that is 0. So I can give the numbers according to their performance. So it may be from 0 to 10. So it is countable, it is finite, and it is random variable. So it is called discrete random variable. Simple. Here it is not necessary that it may be a number. It may be time, or it may be performance, it may be grade, or it may be any possible outcomes which can be presented in universe. Simple. Next one. After completing random variable and discrete random variable, third topic, that is continuous random variable. In continuous random variable, meaning of this, that is random variable which can be the set of real numbers, called continuous random variable. Here you can see that all the possible expected outcomes, means values, performance, timings, or any outcomes. So it is presented in discrete form, but in continuous form it can be presented in set of real numbers. Means we cannot put the direct exact number, but we have to put in set of numbers. Example, union is equals to 0 less than equals to u less than equals to 3. It means our all possible outcomes, that is from 0 to 3. So it called continuous random variable. Random variable which can be the set of real numbers, called continuous random variable. Now, here I want to clarify that if here 0 set of function, that is 0 less than equals to u less than equals to 3, it means value of u, it is lies between 0, 1, 2 and 3. Got it? Because here the sign of less than equals to. So now here I have to count 0, and here again less than equals to. So now I have to include 3. But if I remove equals to sign from here, means that 0 less than u less than equals to 3, then 0 is removed from this union and it starts from 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the inclusive part because here the sign of less than. Let's say if I am removing this equals to sign from here, so the answer will be 3 is the exclusive part and we have to do this part, and 0 less than u less than 3, it means value of universal is 1 and 2 only. Means this sign presents that we have to include this, and if this sign is not present here, it means this value that we have to exclude. Okay, here you can see that 0 less than equals to u less than 3 means now our answer will be 0, 1 and 2. We have to ignore this thing. Got it? So it is called continuous random variable. We know all the values from this part to here, but it is a set of real numbers. All the values that are not directly given in the question, because if all the values are given, then it becomes a discrete random. And the set of numbers that are provided, then it becomes the continuous random variable. Simple. Next one. Discrete probability distribution. Here there are some formulas. You have to learn these formulas very carefully because from the next class I am going to start these practical sums based on these formulas. First one, all the possible outcomes of an event and the sum of these all the probabilities is equals to 1. It is under the discrete probability distribution. Remember one thing, in this point, total of all the possible probabilities should be equals to 1. not less than 1, not more than 1. Let's say in this, if there are three probabilities, P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2, then sum of P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 must be equals to 1. It means sigma P of x, all the probabilities covered here, so sigma P of x is equals to 1. Sigma means sum, P of x means all the possibilities, and sum of all the possibilities is equals to 1. Second formula. If they ask to find out for mean or variance under discrete probability distribution, then mean that we call mu. Here in discrete probability distribution, mu stands for mean. There is another name for mu, that is expected probability. So expected probability we call it as E of x, that is mu, means mu and expected probability both are equal, and formula is sigma xi multiplied by P of x, means multiplication of xi and P of xi, and total of this, that is sum of xi into P of xi, is equals to mean. So it is called expected values. Next one, that is for variance. In variance, it is called sigma square. Sigma has this sign as well as sigma is this. Okay, so sigma square that presents for variance, but this sign is for variance and this sign is for sum. So remember, I am talking about this sign. Sigma square is equals to V of x, means variance of all the probabilities. That is sigma square. Sigma square is equals to V of x is equals to square of this mean in the last part and expected probability square, means E of x square minus E of x whole square. Answer of this that we call variance. Simple. So variance is equals to sigma square, and sigma square is equals to V of x is equals to E of x square minus E of x whole square. These types of formula can be asked in the 1 marks question. So remember this formula, and if they provided to find out the standard deviation, then first of all we have to find out the sigma square, and if the value of sigma square is equals to 9, then standard deviation it becomes 3, means under root of sigma square. So first of all we have to find out the variance, then after under root of variance, that we call sigma, means standard deviation. Now columns, means how many columns that we have to prepare for discrete probability distribution. So there are basically 4 tables. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First column that we call x, first column that we call x, second column that is P of x, third column that is x into P of x, and fourth column that is x square into P of x. Once again, x, P of x. These 2 columns that is provided in the question. Third column that we have to prepare means multiplication of these 2, means x into P of x. We got the third column, that is x into P of x. Sum of all these means total of all these, that is called sigma x into P of x. And this sigma x into P of x, it is a part of mean. Sigma x into P of x. Okay, next one. Column number 4. X square into P of x. In column number 4, they have provided x square into P of x. So, multiplication of column 1 and column 3. Multiplication of column 1 it becomes x square. X into x, it becomes x square. X square into p of x. Means column number 1 multiplication of column number 3, we got column number 4 x square into p of x, and now this value, this total of column number 4, that is called sigma x square into p of x, and this sigma x square into p of x is useful for this, because E of x square means column number 4. Total of column number 4, that we got E of x square, and E of x, that is total of column number 3. So here understand very carefully. If they ask for mean, so total of column number 3, that is mu, means E of x. If they ask for expected x square, means E of x square, means only total of column number 4, that is E of x square. If they ask for variance, sigma square is equals to V of x is equals to 4th column plus total of 3rd column and square of 3rd column. So it is called variance. And if they ask for standard deviation, so first of all find the variance, and under root of variance it becomes the standard deviation. Okay, so in theoretical part we have completed the meaning of random variables, discrete random variables, continuous random variables, discrete probability distribution, and its formulas. So from the next class I am going to start practical sums on this discrete probability distribution. Thank you for this session. If you have any doubts, then please contact me.